close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
Hi. No. You're on set. No! Quiet on set.
Yeah.
Lugo, stop. Frankie, get Frankie!
Careful.
Can we get a clapper? Shh. Oh. Action 600.
Action!
Dogs are in the way. Can I talk?
All you hear is panting.
Panting. Frankie, get out of here. Go away.
Go run away.
Go.
Go in my bed.
Go in Kevin's bed. We'll lock you in the room like Kevin does.
What's the matter? He wants me to pet him. I'm so sorry. Oh, he's sitting down. Oh, right.
Okay, shh. 365.
I'm not saying anything, right? Like
400!
I'm asking!
Shush!
Shush!
What takes
I am the genie!
Good.
That's the genie!
Ready?
Grant me 3 wishes.
3, 2.
I'm sorry. What did that say?
He said, grant me 3 wishes, and she goes, 3, 2, 1!
Okay. Oh, I'm red in the face.
500!
How's my face look?
Red, good job.
Am
Sorry.
I crying? Makeup.
You have an Asian over here.
Makeup.
Okay. Get away from me.
Now you make me more red.
Ah!
Watch my water.
I'm thirsty. Can I drink it?
No.
I'm so
Oh,
thirsty.
now you made my table crooked.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Move your
It's
hand.
moving. I was gonna say it. Okay.
It's okay. Oh my god. Count down from 3.
I can't set the timer.
No, don't do that. I'm still crying over here.
No. Oh my god. Shut the hell up.
She's like not a nice director.
I have dogs going crazy. Only at we're filming at 8 o'clock at night.
Oh, go forever.
Oh my god.
Frankie! Hey! Frankie, want hamburger?
Kevin, stop doing that.
You won't know.
Frankie! Hey! Frankie, go to bed.
Go to bed for once, please.
How is it you guys are up at night, but
Go
not
to sleep all day.
sleep? But not when we're filming.
We're filming and you gotta, look, it goes right after them.
Oh my god.
Frankie's in here now.
Because they know we're doing something.
They never do when I film. They just sleep
You're
with
in your
me.
room.
Because they go into bed. Look at him. Relax.
No more food.
All done. All done.
Jeez.
Where's my card? All done.
Zuko, come here. Come here, boys. Come on. Come on, we're going to sleep. Action. 3, 2.
Hi, boys and girls. This is Miss Cheryl and Mr. Kevin.
Stop fucking laughing. the struggles of making a video.
What's so funny?
I was trying so hard not to laugh. Oh my god. I can't.
Come on, Kev.
I'm trying.
I'm trying to be professional.
I'm trying to. I can't. Oh my
I'm a
god.
professional lady here.
Yeah, right. Oh my god.
You ask why edible slime? Edible slime because today we are home.
And my producer is laughing at me.
Oh my god! Shut up! Just for 8 minutes, please!
8 minutes it takes us to make edible slime.
It does?
No, it doesn't.
It
Just
doesn't
8
seem like
minutes.
it.
Just
Oh my god, I'm sorry. I just not look up a joke.
Mom, I will literally put peanut butter
Can I
in.
just look at my eyes as we do this?
Stop!
She's so mean.
She is. We're gonna switch sides.
Today why are we making edible slime? We're making edible slime because we are home in a crazy house with dogs barking. The producer's screaming at us. My assistant laughing.
There he is.
And just in case Exhibit A and Exhibit B decide to eat something that we possibly would drop on the floor, it will not harm our friends. And that's why we're making edible slime.
You better repeat that. I was in frame. That's it. I'm done. I'm done.
Good
Where are
news,
the
tranquilizer?
bones?
Doing.
Where are the bones?
Where are the bones? Get the bones. Get the peanut butter.
I always want to put peanut butter and with a bone. Frankie, what are you doing behind the couch?
Come on, Frank, want peanut
They
butter?
won't fight over this thing. Hopefully. Dog peanut butter. Peanut butter that says dogs on it, so you can put the knife in more than once.
But did you do my in case my dog friends?
What?
In case your dogs
Let's
decide
pick 'em
to
up. Come
use
here,
the
Zuko.
I'll put a picture up on the screen.
Oh, look how quiet he is now.
When you say it, point to the left. Or just say our dog friends and then I'll put a picture up.
Are you recording?
Yes.
She's gonna
Are
risk
you in
all her
frame?
film.
Me? No.
Oh, well then we can record. Half a cup.
You're not good.
Stop looking at me. Stop.
I have a dog over here drooling.
Freeze frame.
Action.
My producer's crawling on the floor. She's not framed. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the household.
Oh my god!
I hope you guys enjoyed the video just as much as we did. If you'd like to see the actual video, I'll leave it in the iCard up above and in the description box down below. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel down below, and hit that post notification bell on so you get notified every single time we upload a video. We upload every Friday at 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time, and I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.